This indicator delivered insane results in testing.
Say goodbye to average and hello to extraordinary. Strap in and get ready to witness the power of trading unleashed.
First things first, fire up your TradingView and head over to the Indicators tab.
We are on the lookout for two key indicators: machine learning multiple logistic regression and altered money flow index.
Here are the settings.
Machine learning multiple logistic regression. Buy signals are indicated by an upward arrow, and sell signals are indicated by a downward arrow. The color-coded SMA provides a visual representation of the logistic regression output by color.
The altered money flow index, alongside its directional bias, indicating bullish or bearish activity based on whether values are above or below the zero line, including periods of flat market conditions. For a buy entry, watch out for a green triangle while ensuring the SMA is also green.
Confirm the entry with the money flow index being bullish.
Once all conditions align, it's time to enter the trade.
Set your stop loss at the SMA and aim for a 1.5 risk to reward ratio.
If the price is near the SMA, adjust your stop loss to the recent swing low.
The same principles applies for sell entries.
Here is the backtesting results. This was used on a Bitcoin 5-minute chart. Success is just a click away. Keep those wins coming by watching the next video for more profits.
Hit subscribe now